We need to find the engine speed of a ship. So the formula is engine speed is equals to actual RPM times constant pitch. We have the actual RPM, which is 990. Then second, we need to find constant pitch. So the formula of constant pitch are constant pitch is equals to propeller pitch times 60 all over 1852. This is a constant and also this. So we need to plug in, which is 90 times 60 all over 1852, which is equals to 0.1160 151,188. Then last, we need to use this to find the engine speed. This formula. So engine speed is equals to 90 RPM times 0.1160 151,188. So engine speed is equals to 10.44 knots. That's it.